Katie here at Vibe. Today I'm going to walk you through some board management features to help you stay organized as you start to create more and more Vibe boards. One of my favorite features I want to show you first is how you can star a board. So if there's a board you come to often, one of your favorites, you can simply hit the star button right next to the title, and when it turns yellow, you'll be easily able to find it when you go to your main menu. So from here, this is where you can see all the boards you've ever worked on or been invited to. You can filter this to show only boards that were created by you, ones that were created by others and have been shared with you, and then as well as your starred boards. This is also where you can access your trash can. If you ever accidentally delete a board, you can go over there to recover it. Also, I love to create folders to keep things even more organized. So down here at the bottom is where you can add a new folder, name it whatever you'd like. Once you're done creating folders, you can also edit by selecting this button. If you want to reorder where they are on here, or if you decide you want to rename them, you can click on this tab, or if you want to delete the folder entirely, select that option and then hit delete, and then you're going to delete it one more time. Now that I'm done adding my folders, I can come over here to the edit button if I want to add one or more boards to that particular folder. So I simply select the ones that I want to do, go to the folder icon, and then select which folder I want to put those in. The edit option is also great to know about if you ever want to duplicate, create an exact copy of your board, or if you need to delete a board. So once you hit edit, you can select which board you want to delete or duplicate, and then this is the duplicate button and this is the trash can. Thanks so much for joining. Hope you have a great day.